Hello again, everybody. This is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8336BH. Huge master bedroom, large bunkhouse in the back, opposing slides with the island in the middle. Great floor plan, fully loaded. Let's get started and take a look. Guys, do me a favor, watch to the end of the video. I'll show you a quick clip with the slide outs in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. Also remember, give me a quick thumbs up. Again, hit that subscribe button. That bell, that'll give you a notice every time a new camper goes on, so you can be the first one to see the new floor plans, new decors, new options. So make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, starting on the inside, you see the opposing slides in the living area. Stone decor. Your brand new light Newport Ash. Large 4-door refrigerator. So for a bunk model, to have a large master bedroom is unique, so that's where we'll start. You've got queen walk-around bed on a slide out. You do have the option for a king bed. On this queen, you've got drawers that pull out underneath and storage under the bed. Shocks that hold that up for you. Receptacles on either side. You got USB. You've got reading lights and storage above. Well lit. Tons of storage all the way across. Cabinets down low. You've got a nice large hanging area that is washer dryer prep. And then if you did use that, you still do have hanging here. More receptacles and charging area. That nice windshield has got a blackout shade. You do have two different entryways into the bathroom. We do have the second AC we equipped this with. We did also equip it with the bedroom TV. Plenty of windows that do open so you get good cross breeze. Little storage cubbies up top. Solid door that closes off the bathroom. Nice large stainless sink. Spot for a trash can. Vanity. Large corner shower with the glass enclosure. Again, I'm 6'5". I am not even eye level, or maybe eye level with the shower. Plenty of room. Got another 3 inches, so if you're taller than 6'5", you can still fit in the shower. More cubby holes. Plenty of room around the toilet. And you do have a max air fan with the cover on the roof. Moving into the living area, you do have theater seating, cup holders. You do have lumbar support. They do recline. Charging area inside the armrest. Very comfortable chairs that are directly across from the TV. You got a sound bar. RV Technologies has got tons of controls. You do have USB, HDMI hookups. Sync your phone to that RV Technologies app and control the stereo. You do have a fireplace that does put out electric heat. TV is on a swivel arm, so it makes it easy to get to the back of it. You had satellite, you had PlayStation, Xbox. Storage up high. In the kitchen, plenty of pantry area. Your large gas electric refrigerator. Tons of space. You do have the larger than normal oven with LED lights. And as always, this flush mount cover acts as a splash guard. You do have a nice size microwave and huge storage area up top. Countertop space galore. Again, spots for trash cans throughout. And they even give you one. Extended spray head. And you do have two separate stainless steel sinks. They round off the corners nice on the countertops. Receptacles throughout. Large U-shaped dinette. I'll show you a setup and breakdown of that. Alright, on your setup and breakdown of the booth dinette, lever on the front drops the table down, and you have a lip all the way around that the table rests on. So you're in the down position, Velcro tabs hold it in place. Here's your bed. Remove the end cushions, you get a little bit more room. Putting those back up. Again, utilize that Velcro. Down is the best position to travel so you don't get any movement. Lift that table up. Again, no pedestal, nothing in the way down low, nice and clear area for your feet. And you're all set up, ready to eat. As you see throughout, you have day-night shades, so the solar and the blackout. Now they also give you another area here, a good spot for coffee pot or more storage. Charging area, your thermostat, tons of storage. Another skylight vent area, recessed lighting on the ceiling. Moving into the bunk area. Down low you've got a trifold sleeper sofa and a bunk above. Across from what would be their entertainment center area, plenty of storage. And the bunk above here. So large bunks, the one on the left. The one on the right that drops down. And then you've got your sleeper sofa. Alright, the trifold sofa gives you an idea of the ladder in the bunk area, which can be moved to either side. Setting up this trifold sofa, basically fold the bunk up out of the way. Alright, removing your cushions, pull from the bottom, flip those two legs out. And your bed's all set up, ready to sleep. But you've got plenty of room to get around this sofa when it's made into the bed. Lighting throughout, air ducts, max air fan again with a cover, speakers, they've got their own stereo in here, and your heat ducts down low. Again, spot for TV. You do have windows that open. You do have blackout shades. So your brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8336 BH. Two slide outs in the living area with the island, slide out in the large bunkhouse, and then slide in the master bedroom. Now we can move to the outside and take a look. All right, moving to the outside, you see the nice new front cap, the nice logo, 230-pound LP bottles, power tongue jack with the nice 7-pin holder, spot for 2 batteries. We are looking at a dry weight of 9,813 pounds. Storage under the bedroom up front. You've got nice wide open storage, nice thick compartments, slam latch with the magnetic latches to hold it open. We did equip this Rockwood with the awning toppers over your slide outs. Easy access for the pull valves for your black and gray tanks. Your exhaust for your range hood. Looking at frameless windows. We do have the auto leveling, so nice and easy access to the jacks there. We're looking at a 50 amp service. Rockwood gives you a receiver, so you can add a bike rack or extra storage there. We're looking at a hitch rating of 300 pounds. Your outside shower, hot and cold. Hookup for your black tank flush, your inlet, your antifreeze, and your fresh tank fill. Another hookup for an outside shower. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Quick look at the roof. You see your 2 air conditioners, max air fan with the cover up front and in the back. The top of your slide outs with those covers. Your prep for your solar. Your TV antenna. You are prepped for a backup camera. This swing arm, you attach your outside griddle there. And that's next to the outside kitchen, which has your 2-burner range. Nice upgraded counters, so you don't have to worry about the wood peeling. Nice electric refrigerator. Again, the nice lighter Newport Ash Cabinetry. And you do have the quick connect down low for your propane. Because you have the door side slide out, they add the awning with the shielded cover in addition to your regular awning. So 2 nice patio awnings, both on the door side. Little storage area under the dinette. Again, outside speakers. You have a prep table on this side next to your hookup for an outside TV. Up front you see the solar prep. So you can do a removable portable solar panel, keep the batteries charged. And here are the controls for your auto leveling. Not stabilizer jacks, but actually auto leveling. Controls for your docking lights. The step above 3 entry step. Doors on a friction hinge. Shock assist, easy to fold up into the camper. Nice and clean, no exposed frame. Screenshot. Screen door, closes the screen door for you. And we still have the Wi-Fi Ranger, so that Wi-Fi booster, upgraded router. So if you are trying to get a boosted signal at the campground, you've got your own secure Wi-Fi signal here, all built in on the roof. So very nice. Again, new features with the key to like all your locks. Your outside shower compartments is 1 key. No more fumbling around with 5 or 6 door keys. But your brand new 2021 Rockwood Signature 8336BH. Thanks again for watching. All right, as promised, slide outs in. You are not getting anywhere. Bathroom will not open. You can get into bed, but you can't get in the bathroom. So you're gonna have to put one of the slides out. Most likely this one. At least, to a 5 or 10 count, to where you can comfortably get in. Where you can get in, get to the fridge, get in the bathroom. But all the slides in, no access.